Rampur Police in Subarnapur district have busted a cup syrup smuggling operation and seized 9,000 bottles of cup syrup along with 2 vehicles, officials said. The seizure was made during an early morning operation Saturday under the Dunguripali block. Police said one person was arrested in connection with the case and later produced before a court. According to sources, the action followed specific intelligence inputs. Acting on the tip-off, a team from Rampur Police Station under the direction of Subarnapur Superintendent of Police Narayan Nayak was carrying out patrolling around 6:30 am when it reached the playground area near Sahabahal Canal Chhak. During the operation, police intercepted 2 vehicles parked at the location. On inspection, officers recovered 9,000 bottles of cup syrup, each containing 100 ml. The seized consignment was estimated to be worth around 17.82 lakh rupees. Police said the illegal consignment was being transported for sale when it was intercepted. Further investigation is underway to trace the source of the cup syrup and identify other persons involved in the smuggling racket, officials added. From Dunguripali, Dinabandhu Suna's report, Orissapost Live.